How you doing? So we're gonna be cleaning this engine right here on this engine stand, and then we're gonna be painting it. I hope everything goes good. I got my best music on, the Rolling Stones on, so me and Navi, you know, we go way back, but we're hanging out this time. COVID-19. 2020.
He loves eating rocks. We were always eating rocks. Come here. You know what this is? You know what this is? Yeah, it's a cute little boy. Alright, as Eka mentioned, we're gonna be cleaning up the engine today. You good, bro? A little struggling over there. Yeah, so pretty much we're gonna be removing the water pump here, as well as valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, you know, new motor mount, cleaning all that stuff up. We do receive the rear main seal, as well as the gasket here and the pilot bearing that goes in here. Removing that as well. I will be ordering my clutch soon. Even though my clutch is fine, I just want to upgrade it. Hopefully, I might boost the car, but yeah, we're gonna go at this. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not excited. All right. Yo, is that your car?
Yo, it is.
Oh fuck! What is it?
It's a 335 IS.
Is that a BMW?
BMW. No, it's actually a Bima.
What does the S stands for?
Sporty.
Sporty, huh?
That side.
That side?
I think that's good.
Backfired.
That was good, but our freaking bags have been flying everywhere.
Yeah, as you can see, we didn't really do a good job putting the bags on. We're gonna put it back on again though, because now we're gonna like brake clean and detail all the small ones that that couldn't get off.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, I forgot the valve covers.
Oh yeah, we brought that out totally just to do that. Yeah, we can do that on the grass actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do it.
So what me and Avi did was we brake cleaned most of the engine block, and we removed the pulleys that was over here and the water pump. And as you can see, it looks really clean, especially on this side right here. I don't know how many cans we used. I mean, you can see right there on the right side of it. I mean, there's so many brake clean bottles right there.
Yeah, that's a lot. Hey guys, I just want to give you a better update on what the engine looks like now. But before we do that, I wanted to show you guys what products I used to get there. I don't know if you guys can see, from what you saw before to this. So let's go over the products here real quick. And this is a paint remover. I bought this from Home Depot. It was about $10. Obviously these are from Walmart. They work great. Likely you probably should get like at least 5 to 10 of these. You run out of these super quick. Rubbing alcohol before you apply paint, and this is what I used. As you guys can see, I used high heat paint on the block, and then like valve covers and other engine components. I use this one right here as well as this one. Primer is for valve covers and a couple other small components, and I use these brushes as well to clean everything up. Once I use engine degreaser, I usually scrub them down with these two brushes. You don't want to scrub it down with this too much. This actually makes you can actually cause a lot of scratches, so you want to get the brass version. I actually picked up the wrong one accidentally. These you can get from Walmart pretty cheap. So pretty much use that and brake cleaner afterwards, and then dry it out, rub it down with the rubbing alcohol. The higher percentage, the best one. I had this at home, so it worked out. But let's go to the engine. So this is what the engine looks like now. Let's just go over this real quick. So I did a clear coat on my intake manifold, used high heat paint on these two valve covers, installed a new water pump, cleaned up all the small pulleys, especially the alternator one. Painted this. That's a high heat paint. This is where my thermostat was. Actually, I wasn't running a thermostat before. Now I'm running a thermostat. Also painted this bracket to match this. Kind of wish I painted this over here as on the power steering pump to match it, but so far it still looks great. As you guys can see, I also painted the block black to match this over here, with cleaning up the alternator. Now you don't want to get too much liquid. It's it's electric and stuff, so one second, I also cleaned up this transmission. You guys, last time you saw it was dirty as hell. Sorry, everything is a mess right now. Cleaned that up as well. Gonna be installing the throwout bearing as well as the rear main seal. So now that my engine is done, it's looking nice and clean. Now we're gonna be attacking this part of the car. So we're going to be removing the ABS from the engine bay as well as my brake booster. Try to remove as much hoses as possible and clean it up before I want to pressure wash this whole thing up and pretty much spray paint it. Try to clean that up too. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, leave it down below in the comment section. I will reply back to all of them. You guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.